Welcome to the Dish POS app. In this tutorial, we show you how to add a tip when cashing out. During the checkout process, use the input field to enter the amount that has to be paid, including the tip amount. After adding the input, select the guest's preferred payment method. Note, the payment methods may differ, depending on your settings for the payment methods menu. A pop-up will appear asking you how you want to handle the excess payment. By selecting Change, you can hand back the excess payment as change. By selecting Tip, all the excess payment will be registered as a tip. To only partly register the excess payment as tip, tap on Custom Tip. Now, an interface for adjusting the tip and change will be displayed. To adjust the amount for the tip, tap on Tip. Now use the input field to enter the tip the guest wants to give you. Note, the change will then automatically be adjusted. To apply the changes, tap on OK. If you tap on Decide Later, Keep Order Open, you keep the change that the guest has given you, but the order will not be closed. That's it. You completed the tutorial and now know how to add a tip when cashing out.